Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change Snapchat password, and now let's dive right in. Now to change Snapchat password, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to change your password. From over here at the top left corner of the screen, tap on there and you will be on your interface or your profile interface of your Snapchat. And at the top right corner of the screen, guys, you can see there is a settings icon. Tap on it, and on this interface you will be able to see the password option available for us just below the Snapchat plus. Tap on it, tap on the password, and first you'll be required to enter your old password, or if you've forgotten it, guys, you can just tap on the forgot your password to go through a reset procedure, but we'll be changing it, will not be resetting it, guys. So let's tap on continue, and after you tap on continue, guys, you'll be on the section where you will be able to enter your new password and confirm your password. And after the combinations match, your new password and your confirmation password, these two password match, the save button will be available for you on the green. Tap on that save button and your password on Snapchat will be changed. And guys, this is how you can change your Snapchat password. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.